The time has come. Gods, I prayed it never would. How do you raise a sword against the man you once gave your soul to? The man whose name still lingers on your lips. Even now, I loved him and I was blind. While he studied my weaknesses, I showed him my heart. While he kissed me, he planned to take everything I was born to protect. And now he stands on the other side of the battlefield. So I asked the gods for strength, because if he wants my kingdom, he'll have to crawl over my corpse to take it.